All right, everyone. Bonus Ventus here, going over our trade on Thursday, April 13th. 22%, even though I'm super disappointed with this trade because there was a lot of money to be made. But I'll go over that here on why I was only 22% and how I let my bias get the better of me. But here's what we did. So we were looking at SPY pre-market. We did see this sort of upwards trend here. But I did feel based on the prior day, we had bad CPI data. As you can see here, let's look at the prior day. Big down day and then a huge drop off. So my initial thought here is that we are going to see a continuation of that. The problem is that didn't really happen. But we were looking for puts to the downside. And I was looking for a rejection right off this 409.4-ish area. And so that's what we did. As you can see above, alerted this live pre-market, the exact trading plan. So waited until right about here, entered in at 50 cents on 162.5 puts. Pretty good entry. I think the low was like 45 cents. So pretty solid. And then 7 minutes later, we ended up getting stopped out at 61 cents. We could have had, I think, 65 or 68 cents around here. I did not like this 408.6 area. But first, why did we pick 409.4 for a rejection? That was mostly based off this prior day here, just sort of this area. And that's really it. I wanted to see it come up a little bit more before entering. And then I was also wary of this 408.7 area as a level of support. And we'll take a look at that here. Oh, wow, this is messy. So why 408.7? We're looking at these areas here. It's a pretty massive support area. That's all it really is. Even these candles right there, right there. I did want to see it break and continue down, but that's just not what happened. So that's why we put a stop loss on, and we ended up taking profits. So 22% in 7 minutes, which is fine. But god damn, look at this massive move up. This was huge. You could have made money. You did have to hold, though, for a good half hour here, as this was all pretty chop until we started seeing this move up. That's a nice move. And then again, consolidation, and then another move up. The one trade that I was disappointed that we didn't enter, and that was extremely obvious, is Apple to the call side. 162.5 calls to be specific. What did I say on SPY? No, that's not right. I think I said 162.5 puts here, but no, that's 408 puts. I'm thinking of Apple already just because I couldn't get it out of my mind. But 162.5 calls, because as you can see, it's opening right at this level here, which is a huge level of support. This 161.3-ish. This was like a no-brainer calls. I just didn't take it because I thought the SPY was going to be to the downside based on my bias. And as you can see here, like we could have had a nice entry, gotten 162.5 calls at like 60 cents and rode this thing all the way, probably up until right here, and sold for about $3. Would have been huge, but it is what it is. Tomorrow's a new day and we make it happen. And we were still profitable today, which is always good. So that's the trade that we did. SPY 408 puts, 50 cents to 61 cents. We'll catch you on the next video.